and what they're both saying is that actually trauma is a disordered prediction problem. So as you explain, like what they're saying is that our brains are, if you've had that experience, your brain is predicting these negative experiences, predicting that something terrible is about to happen, or that, predicting lack of safety. And then and this all happens in absolutely milliseconds. So it's kind of an unconscious, super fast predictive system. And then that sends signals to your body to prepare for whatever's coming, what your brain predicts is coming. So this is when we've got like our whole system is going into, your whole system is going into like a flight, like a sympathetic, going to your sympathetic